guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus from your Vivo IQOO Z8. So if you see something like that in your notification bar, or you have a lot of spammy pop-ups when you're trying to visit inside, that means you have a notification software, and we can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. Now I'm going to show you the first method. Open settings, then choose the apps section and select the CL apps. Now check all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize name, just select it and choose the install button. Tap on OK, and after that go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. In my case it's Google Chrome. Choose the storage and cache, tap on the clear storage, select the clear all data and tap on the OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so I'm gonna show you how to do it in this application. So let's start from the Get Started button and skip. Choose the Continue and decide that you want to get notifications. Now close to Ads and choose Continue with Ads. Now choose the green circle and tap on the OK. Now you have to add a permission to the files. Then go back. As you can see, scanning process starts automatically, and after that your phone should be free from any unwanted software that you have on your storage. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.